Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I made this one pot meal. So we're gonna start off with some butter, and all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Once your butter is all melted, and we're gonna add some diced onions. I'm also going to add some garlic, and I wanted to add some green onions, but I didn't have any at the time. But if you do have, just add some of those, and also some thyme. And I'm just going to saute these until they're slightly tender. I'm gonna add some diced pumpkin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my ackee. I'm using frozen uncooked ackee. You can use can if you have can. Then I'm adding some saltfish that has been boiled and minced. I added some seasoning. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But I'll add the ingredients, like I said before, of everything that I used in the description box below. Right, once you got that all mixed up, then I'm adding in some rice, some washed rice. I'm using about 1.5 cups. And then to this, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I'm using basmati rice. Different rice require different levels or amount of water. So if you're doing like regular long grain rice, it might take a little bit more water than the basmati. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more butter to this. I'm going to taste it to see if I need salt or anything. And I'm just adding a little bit of salt because it was a little bit too fresh for my liking. Then once that's all mixed in, I'm just going to cover this and let it cook. All right, so once our water is evaporated, I'm just going to use a fork to fluff my rice. And then I'm going to let it steam for a little bit more, maybe 5 minutes or so, just to make sure all the grains are cooked and tender. And then once you test your rice and everything is cooked, then that's it. You're ready to serve, and you can serve this with some plantains or pear, whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.